Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to solve this. Check if one string swap can make strings equal. Okay, this is a 790 problem in lead code. Okay, yeah, first of all, okay, this problem already I have solved. Okay, in Java and TypeScript and JavaScript. Okay, I will definitely I will show you uh, this solution in Java and TypeScript. Okay, so first of all, read this question, and it is a easy problem. Okay, in lead code. Okay, now let's read the question. You are given two strings. Okay, S1, they given two strings, S1 and S2 of equal length. Okay, there is a one condition, equal length. Okay, a string swap is an optional operation where you choose two indices. Okay, where you choose two indices in a string, not necessarily, okay, different, and swap the characters at these indices. Okay, first of all, you have to choose two indices, and for that, you have to swap those characters. Okay, those indices characters. Okay, uh, return return true if it is possible to make both strings equal by performing at most one string swap. Okay, one string swap on exactly one of the string, otherwise return false. Okay, here they given three examples here. So let's see first example. They given two strings s1 and s2, and the two strings lengths are equal. Okay, this length of the string is 4 and this is also 4. Okay, so first of all you have to find two indices in those in this string 2. Okay, in string 2 you have to find two indices that not match with first string. Okay, you have to find those indices here, and then after that you have to swap. Okay, you have to swap exactly once. After swap and compare after swap you have to compare those strings s1 and s2. If suppose if those strings are contains the same characters and also same form and same word, then you have to return true, otherwise you have to return false. Okay, they given here here they given one condition. Okay, where you choose two indices. Okay, you have to find those indices in every string. Okay, here here that is the main thing here. Here let's see the solution for this. Okay, here I have written first condition is if suppose, let us take an example. Let us take two string. Suppose if two strings lengths are not equal, then you have to return false. Okay, that's our first condition. Okay, and one more thing. Suppose there is an empty string. Suppose two strings are empty, then you have to return true. Okay, you have to return true. Suppose if two strings are equal, here here if two strings are equal, then you have to return true. Okay, that's the main thing. So here I have taken two variables. Why? Because here the given choose two indices. That's why this is one indices and this is another indices. Okay, now I have written one condition here. I am comparing two strings. Okay, so in that in first string first character compare with second string first character. Okay, that's the main thing. You have to find two indices. Suppose if the string contains, okay, if string contains more than more than two characters, mismatched characters, then you have to return false. Okay, first of all, you have to find two indices here. Okay, that's why I'm taking these two variables here. Then after that, and you have to compare one more condition here. Second not equals to -1. Okay, and you have to swap those characters. Okay, you have to swap those characters. After that swap, after that swap, this is not a swap. Sorry, extremely sorry, sorry. Uh, okay, you have to compare. Okay, you have to compare. Okay, why first element in that string one character, first character, and in second string, second character. Here, what is the mismatched here? Yeah, this one is the second mismatched element. Okay, because k is there. Okay, this is the second one. You have to compare these two characters. Yeah, this first one and this second one. Yeah, both are same. And this second one, second character, and this first character, both are same. Okay, so that's why you have to return true. Otherwise, you have to return false. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's the main thing of this problem. Okay, so I'm extremely sorry. Yeah, this one. This code is only in Java, and I will show you in JavaScript also. Okay, this one is a JavaScript code. Uh, both are same. Just I have changed the conditions here. Here, lose equal operator I have used here. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is a JavaScript code, and one more thing. This is a TypeScript code. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. So thank you.